I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove the title or subject line of your notes on your iPhone. First, we're going to open up our Settings app. Then we'll scroll all the way down, open the app settings, and then go to the Notes app to find the specific Notes app settings. Then we'll scroll down to the Viewing section here, and then tap on New Notes Start With. And then here it's got title, heading, subheading, or body. If you just want the note to have a body and the title is going to be separate, or it's not going to have a big title at the top, you can just have it start with the body and it won't have that big bold text. Now, to show you what that looks like, if I go to the Notes app and then I click a new note and then I type in test and then enter and test, see there's no big bolded text at the top. And if we go back and change it to having a title, if I type in test, you can see that it has a bolded title, and then I click return, and now it goes straight into the body of the note. So you can have it either way if you'd like. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.